warm up diving in that wider, comfortable, powerful position. We're gonna work on that small step, maybe inside is optimal. We're gonna work on that and just catch that ball, leave it off, catch that ball, leave it off. I'm gonna point to the side, I want you to react. But it's important, again, active to ready, hands are here. We're going west to east and east to west. We're not going down like we do, like going over the ball. So we're gonna practice being quick and explosive through that ball as somebody comes across and tries to knock one in on us. Okay, here we go. So active, ready, go. Good. Just be balanced and ready. Quick, good. So see if you can get set. Next up, here we go. Go. One step and one, go. That was better. Did you feel the difference in that one? Okay, perfect. Go again. Here you go. Active, go. Love it. Good. Active, active, go. Good. Active, active, go. Good. Active, active, go. Good. Good job. Good round. The last progression of us working on a wider, comfortable, ready position and the corresponding movement for diving is going to be the actual movement itself. Goalkeepers, our job is to stay under control. Field players' jobs is to keep us out of control, keep us unbalanced. So our movement has to be deliberate, has to be short and sharp. We can't be cemented into the ground. So we're gonna be off center. It's gonna be like a ball driven across. Maybe it's a redirect low ball or a high ball. It could be a header, it could be whatever. But it's here, you call away, you have to reposition yourself, and it's quick and it's in. And it's that little bit of wider just so that I can get my feet involved, my hands involved. My hands are out in front of me here so I can make that save early, establishes that hand-eye coordination on both sides. So it's quick, it's deliberate, boom, and I'm set. You're gonna feel it. It's gonna feel like a powerful position. It's a temporary position. You're building up that kinetic energy to be explosive in that inside. Try to take that inside step if you can, if it gets you low and powerful and quick in the direction that you need, okay? 6 good ones. Ready? Go! Good. Just make sure you're balanced and ready. Even if you're not quite in the middle. Go! Good. We want to be able to attack that ball east to west, west to east. Go! Almost. Love the effort. You're almost there. Go! That's it. Love it. Go! Good. Way to guide it out. Let's do a couple of those. Go! Yes. That was perfect. Go! Go! Okay, you got one more in each of you? Each side? Okay, ready? Ready? Go! Almost. You're almost there. Go! Yes! Up, 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 up. That's a big time save right there. We're always not going to be on a great field, so you can notice you're playing a little bit of nice New England clay.
Yeah.
Working on that wider ready position, how did you feel? What adjustments did you have to make?
Felt good, obviously. Like you said, we've got the dirt to work with instead of playing on grass. So every single step matters. Your footwork's gonna be crucial, even more now than ever here.
Everything's gotta be short and sharp and nice and tight. So that's why big steps sometimes are problematic, because now you're grounded or even you start to slide.
Yeah.
That's why that short, sharp, that internal step, which you made some great saves with, is important, because now you're able to go.
Yeah.
You had a chance to test out the Elite Sport Neo Black in the dirt. How do they feel?
They feel great. I mean, we did a lot of shots. You can see absolutely no minor scuffs or anything. It looks very clean. They felt great. They're very nice and fitting on my fingers. I'm a size 9. They fit very true.
How did you like the neoprene glove body, that one-piece glove?
It's different and I like it a lot.
That's great.
Yeah.
And always as goalkeepers, we want to protect ourselves more, and it used to be that protection is like, oh, we're a bunch of wimps or something like that. But pros, they train covered head to toe as a professional goalkeeper and as a goalkeeper that trains others. What do you think about the Bads, Elite Sport Bads compression legging?
They're very comfy. You're used to some of them that are just very bulky and it's very uncomfortable to move. These feel like I'm just wearing shorts and nothing else, but as you can see, my knees are well protected, my hips are protected, and you need that in this type of environment.
Yeah, the important thing is you have a layer protecting you from whatever surface you're playing on, especially turf. I mean, there's rocks in this, and
Exactly.
I thought that it helps you worry about the save as opposed to, you know, worrying about like, oh, I'm going to dive on a rock or a stick or, you know, something that's abrasive. So,
Exactly.
good training session
Thank
today.
you. Good stuff.
Any questions, make sure you contact Keeperstop.com or
HK Goalkeeping 1.